Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some cute ornaments using cereal box and some fabric scraps. So let's get started. Rub it up with a knife or sandpaper. Spread with Mod Podge or white glue and glue another section over it. And I have some here that has already been glued together. For patterns, you could trace around a cookie cutter, and I'll put a free printable template link below, or you can cut your own hearts out of a piece of paper. Just fold it in half and cut the shape of a heart, but I'll also put a heart template below. If you'd like a dark background, you can glue some construction paper onto the cereal box. Trace your design shape and cut it out. Apply white glue to the back and glue it to your backing. After the glue has dried, cut out around it and then trim away approximately 1/4 of an inch outside the lines. Wait till it dries. I didn't wait. Like that. Glue a button in the center. And I made this bow from these frayed edges of the burlap. Tied it in a little bow. Glue that on the button, like that. Punch a hole and attach a hanger. Like that. That's how easy it is to make these rustic Christmas ornaments from cereal box and just scraps of fabric. And I have these all ready to go. This is Nova Scotia tartan. I have denim. I have an old plaid shirt, some pajamas, just a regular plain blue broadcloth, and another one in burlap. And I'm going to cut those out. And for plain ones like this, you can easily dress them up with a Sharpie marker. Just make some stitch lines around the outside and on the inside. Like that. And here's the plaid shirt one plain and with stitch lines. Here's the plaid one plain and with stitch lines. And here's the denim one plain and with stitch lines. And the one with PJs plain and with stitch lines. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make recycled ornaments for your Christmas tree, or to put on top of gifts, or to hang in the window. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.